Hello and welcome to the NetBlock 3D offset hole tutorial. The offset hole command exists to add a drill to an existing cavity for instances such as the one I'm about to show. On screen we have a flange with a larger diameter than the port we wish to connect it to. If we use connect cavity, we lose the original flange diameter, and in some cases the footprint will not be able to fit on the face to make this connection. In this instance, I will rotate the footprint and then use the offset hole command to make a good connection. To do so, select the offset hole command and select the desired cavity to add the offset hole. Select a drill hole. Note the selection doesn't have to be perfect, as it can be changed later if needed. I will now use connect cavity and then move the parent and the offset hole accordingly to make a good connection. As you may notice, I can move the parent cavity with the offset hole attached, and can only move the offset hole within the boundaries of the parent cavity.